In Oceanside, California, the public library offers many opportunities to its local citizens. Besides the rows of books and magazines, the children's hours and public computers, classes are offered in various subjects including English, computers, art and Zumba classes for teenagers, and 3D printing. The Oceanside Library has a new LulzBot TAS6 3D printer for those who have taken a 3D printer course at the library. Do you have a design you want to see come to fruition in plastic? Do you want to see a piece of artwork appear before your very own eyes? Perhaps it is something more practical, something you can use in your work or at home. Or maybe a replacement part for a tool or product which has been broken or damaged. Maybe you would like to try out a new 3D printer before investing in your own. The TAS6 has several noticeable features, including the integrated power supply on the side with electronic controls, a large auto-leveling bed, and a hot swappable extruder using a hexagon hot end with a 0.5 nozzle. The printer uses 2.85mm filament to lay down the first squish and bead layers, then building on each pass to produce your special design. Really, your imagination is your only limit. If you can design it in the computer using Cura 2 software, you can use the large printer to produce it. And if you don't have a design in mind, you can use many of the designs which are in the Cura 2 software to practice your skills on the printer. So take advantage of what your local Oceanside Library has to offer. Take the 3D printer class, then use the LulzBot TAS6 3D printer to produce your own design.